Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we are going to understand permutations with repetitions formula. So in our previous classes, we clearly discussed about permutations without repetitions. Please watch those classes and come back here. This is completely based on our previous examples, previous discussions. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, first we need to understand what permutations with repetitions means. Here, let's take this example, commit, C-O-M-M-I-T. This is the characters they have provided, C-O-M-M-I-T. So they are trying to ask you questions like this. How many different words possible with commit? So how many characters are there in this commit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters are there. Using these 6 characters, permutations means arrangements. How many different ways you are going to arrange these 6 characters? From our previous knowledge, we are having this. You are going to arrange these 6 characters in 6 positions in 6 factorial ways. Yes, commit. If m is not repeated, then that is the formula. N factorial is the formula. But the thing is here, m is repeated. The formula n factorial applicable only if all the characters are not repeated, unique, then it is applicable. But here m is repeated. How the formula will come, that we are going to understand. So normally before we moving into the actual formula, first we will understand the, see here, C-O-M-M-I-T, m is repeated. Assume the case if m is not repeated, C-O-M-1, M2, I-T. So how we are going to do arrangements? C-O-M-1, M2, I-T means these 6 characters can be arranged in 6 different positions. This is one of the possibility. M1, M2, C-O, I-T. This is one possibility. One way we are going to arrange these characters. See, M1, M2. You just swap these two, M2, M1. You got the another possibility because these two characters are different. The same remaining positions, remaining things are same. C-O-I-T, C-O-I-T same. We are just exchanging M1 and M2. You got the different possibility, different way of arranging the characters because these two characters are different. But here in our situation, M-M-O-C-I-T, this is one possibility. If you change if you swap these two elements, two characters, is it going to change? If you put m here, you place this m here, you are still getting the same thing. Means you are missing the second possibility. If you change m2 to this side and m1 to this side, because m1, m2 are same, you should not have this second option. This is the point you need to understand. This is one possibility. What is the second possibility? M-O-M-C-I-T. This is another possibility. In this possibility, if you swap this M-M, you are not getting the new arrangement. The same arrangement you are going to get. Means for each selection, it's not selection, each arrangement. For each arrangement, you are missing one option. By swapping MM, you are not supposed to swap MM. The second possibility is missing. You are not supposed to do that here if you are having repetitions. Similarly, this is one more possibility, C-I-T, M-O-M. If you swap these two, you are not getting the new one. So in our total, the 6 characters can be arranged in 6 positions in 6 factorial ways. But for each possibility, see here, this M, 2 M's placed in 2 positions. In how many ways you are going to place them? In 2 factorial ways. So that's why for each possibility, this 2 factorial is missing. We have to divide that. We have to divide that from n factorial. 2 factorial means 2. 6 factorial divided by 2 means only half of the cases. This is what? Only this case. This case is not accepted if these two are same. Only half of the case. So that's why our formula is if you are having repetitions. Total how many possibilities are there? 6 characters are there. N factorial, 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial here m. 2 elements are repeated. That's why they can be arranged in 2 positions in 2 factorial ways. Each time you have to divide that. Each time you have to eliminate those possibilities. So that's why from the total possibilities divide by 2 factorial. Our formula is n factorial by r factorial if you are having repetitions. If multiple repetitions are there, let's take the example committee. COMMITTEE. M is repeated, T is repeated, E is repeated. If multiple repetitions are there. See here, let's take this is the possible. Total how many elements are there? How many characters are there? 9 characters are there. This is one of the arrangement we can do. MMOCTITEE. If you change MM, there is no change. If you change TT, there is no change. If you change EE, there is no change. M repeated 2 times. T repeated 2 times. E repeated 2 times. Total how many characters are there? 9. 9 factorial means n. N characters are there. N factorial divided by R1 factorial. R1 means how many times M is repeated? 2 times. So 2 factorial. T repeated 2 times. R2. 2 factorial. E repeated 2 times. R3. Third one means 2 factorial. So 9 factorial by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. If T repeated 5 times, 5 factorial. If E repeated 3 times, 3 factorial. So our equation is out. Finally, our formula is n factorial by r1 factorial, r2 factorial, r3 factorial. Like that, how many repetitions are there? Those repetitions can be obtained in the denominator. Hope you understand the formula for repetitions with permutations with repetitions. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We do multiple examples about permutations with repetitions in our coming classes. Hope you understand this class. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.